Hey y'all, I've got one last easy recipe for y'all to think about for your Father's Day meal, for your husband or your father or any man in your life that has been like a father to you. Uh, and we call this Georgia cracker salad. And in Albany, we used to serve this along at a fish fry. And it's dirt easy. The only thing I want to warn you about is, to me, the second I put it together, that's when I want to eat it, because the base of our salad is crackers, hence Georgia cracker salad. Because these, once you mix them with the mayonnaise and the tomatoes, they'll get soft on you, and I just like mine crispy. So I'm going to start by crunching up our soda crackers. You know what you could use? I've never done it before, but you know those little oysterette crackers? That'd be the way to go, because you wouldn't have to mash those up. And they might not get as soft on you as quick. So that just came to my brain. So you might want to try it. We used to serve this when we were at 311, and people did love it. So you just want to crush them up a little bit, and then want to just dice up your egg. Personally, my hands are clean. This is the way I like to do my boiled eggs. That way I have such good control over it, and I get every piece the size I want it. So you'll see I'm just using one sleeve. We could almost stand another boiled egg for this. And I've got green onion tops. And I think I may come on down here and maybe put a little white in it. You get a lot of good flavor from the green, though, and the green makes it pretty. Michael says, I don't care about it being pretty, just give me an extra shrimp. Okay, so I just coarse chop that. And my tomato was so good and ripe and juicy, I drained it some. Toss that in there. And I really like my silly salt for this one. But you don't want to go crazy with it, because your saltine crackers are salted. And the last thing we're going to add to it is some mayonnaise. And I'll start with a little and add more if I need it. This is a good dish, Mom and Dad, for the kids to help you with. Because it's just stir it up. I'm going to add a little black pepper, because our daddy likes black pepper. Go in here and get every drop of this mayonnaise out. Oops, I hope I didn't sling any on me. A little bit more. Like I said, you can always add to, but you can't take it out. So depending on how mayonnaisey you like it, just Get it just the way you like it. So there you go. A delicious Georgia cracker salad. It's easier to just put it in a clean bowl rather than trying to clean my bowl up, because I like a pretty clean bowl. And got to wash my hands real quick like. And then we're going to jump in for a bite of this delicious Georgia cracker salad. Happy Father's Day to y'all out there. I want a little bite of everything. Have you ever got up in the middle of the night, went in the kitchen, you just wanted something to eat, and all you could find was soda crackers and mayonnaise, and it's good together? So that's it, y'all. Yes, I'm double dipping. Happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. We thank you for everything that you do for your family, your friends, most importantly, your children. Love and best dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.